how I realized pwede pala magkaroon ng mas magandang 18 years celebration. A debut that is being celebrated by the special destined people who contributed to those 18 years.
So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa casa, of course, with my mom and my sister, Nikki. And today, we are going to bring home our gift. Tara! Bakit ito yung napili kong iregalo sa sarili ko? Because when I was starting, I have this concept that whenever I see someone coming out from a car like this, I know that that someone has already overcome a lot in life. And through my 18 years of highs, lows, and everything in between, I now choose that concept to become my reality.
Now is the time. I'm calling all the dreamers. Let your colors burst into the light.
And I'm very much excited to share this first-hand experience to all of you. Here we go! In 3, 2, 1!
If you still have that dream na gusto mong maabot, as long as you are breathing, you always have that shot of making it a reality. Walang Tanya Ace Morales na nakatayo dito ngayon if not for the love, the genuine care, the help along the way, the trust, and the faith that you consistently give me.
Napakalaki ng puso mo, Tol. Sobrang blessed namin dahil may isang Tanya Morales sa era namin na to.
You've always walked the talk. You don't just overcome. You rise from the ashes and inspire everyone around.
Ang daming magaling. Pero hindi lahat may puso na tulad niya.
Si Beshi is my girl best friend. Kilala talaga din ako simula kuko hanggang buhok.
Lagi kang magiging espesyal sa puso naming lahat bilang mentor, bilang ate, bilang CEO ng community.
Continue to be an inspiration sa buong industriya ng MLM.
One word ang masasabi ko sa kanya, Savior. Thank you so much for opening my eyes into a new world.
Sa sobrang lowest at downest moment ko, siya din yung pinakaunang nandyan sa akin.
I met my hero the day I was born. You don't just meet expectations, you over-deliver. You don't just hit goals or records, you break them, and most amazingly, you make new ones.
The balance between pursuing success and staying true to your values is something that not everyone can maintain.
Whenever you look back, whenever you think kung sino yung backup mo, andito ako.
The proudest person in this room right now, wala tayong Tanya Morales ngayong gabi kung walang Mami Chona. You've built not only a community, but you've built a family here tonight.
For the longest time, maraming nagtatanong sa akin, sino ang susunod sa pangalan ko? Wala talaga ako nababanggit. And this will be my first time na banggitin. Kung meron man akong nakikita na J-Lim sa industry ng network marketing, Tanya Morales ang pwede kong sabihin na pangalan. Masisiguraduhin ko, we will surpass your expectation sa company ginagawa natin right now. Ito yung second family na minsan di natin nahahanap sa kadugo natin, pero andito ang grupo po ninyo, Ascendra Prime, na magdudugtog ng pamilya po tayo lahat dito.
Sabi nila, there are two important dates in a person's life. The day you are born and the day
you discover why. That seed of ACE, which stands for abundance, heart of a champion, and excellence that God planted in my being, now comes in full bloom, ready to turn everything and everyone it touches into gold. And as we open this golden chapter with this renewed mission and bigger purpose, may we invite like-minded individuals outside to share this meaningful journey with us. Because this time around, we are not only building dreams, we are building a legacy.